Hi, Leah Heskett here with another great technology for our students. So this one would be student-based. It is called Write About, and it provides prompts with a picture for writing. So I think it would work great when you need something fun or interesting for the students to write about. Sometimes I have a hard time coming up with prompts on my own. So this works well with Google. You can sign up through Google, you don't have to, and then you can import Google Classroom. So that makes it very user-friendly for those of us that have G Suite of Education. You can also register them with username, password, manually enter them, or upload a CSV file. So there's different options, which is great. Now Write About, it's where they have prompts and pictures for you to look at. So I think this one's pretty cool. Your story must include a crime-fighting snail. So say I want to take that and have my students write about it. You would hit share, and then I go to which classroom I want in my Google Classroom. So it's my homeroom who I teach writing to. So then I'd hit share, and it shares it to the group. So that's a quick and easy way to share things through Google Classroom. Now when it comes to the ITSE standards, I believe that this one would cover Student Creative Communicator, which would be 6B, students create original works or responsibly repurpose or remix digital resources into new creations. Because the students will write their own, or they could remix someone else's writing. And the neat thing about Write About is that the teachers can moderate it, and you can make things either, you can share it with just your class, or you can share it with the public. So that makes students a little more, they do a better job when they have when they know that their writing will be shared with the public for a broader audience. And that hits on the ITSE standard of Teacher 3, the citizen. And that one would be 3A, to create experiences for learners to make positive, socially responsible contributions and exhibit empathetic behavior online that builds relationships and community. Now, I have not had a chance yet to have my students try this because we don't have our Chromebooks every day. We have 10, but I have 19 kids in my writing class, and we have them on Wednesdays, but we were on a field trip yesterday, and we didn't have school on Mondays, so I didn't have opportunity that day either to use them. So I'm excited to try these out and see how the students do. And you can even write your own post, create your own idea. Let me show you what it looks like for students. And then it has classes. My internet's a little slow, so you can see it was all synced from Google Classroom. And my students. So there's lots of things you can, and it even gives a teacher code if you want students to go through that way. But I like it because it will have, you can moderate and you can keep it within your classroom, or you can have it go out to the public. So I hope you find Write About interesting and try it out.